The Atlantic is the second largest body of water on Earth. It covers 25% of Earth's surface and holds roughly a third of all its water. Stretching 41 million square miles, the Atlantic is home to multitudes. From the tiniest phytoplankton to the gigantic humpback whale, the Atlantic supports rich ecosystems and is central to Earth's climate system. Reaching from the Arctic to Antarctica, the Atlantic borders 5 continents, with people in more than half of all the countries on Earth relying on it for their livelihood. It is a huge and hugely dynamic environment. The Atlantic's overturning circulation creates a vast ocean conveyor, distributing heat and energy that regulates our climate. Yet human activity is causing unprecedented changes to the Atlantic. This massive marine environment is under threat, just as we are beginning to understand how vitally important it is to life on Earth. The technological challenges of exploring this vast environment are immense. But over the last 5 years, a team of passionate scientists and stakeholders from Iceland in the north to Brazil and South Africa in the south have been collaborating to increase our understanding of this ocean. This is iAtlantic, a blueprint for integrating scientific approaches and international communities to work together to cooperate so that we can better protect our Atlantic Ocean. In a world grappling with the ecological impacts of climate change, this ambitious project has, for the first time, undertaken a whole ocean approach to understanding the Atlantic. This need to take a large-scale view of the entire ocean has driven the first of iAtlantic's 6 key priorities: to increase understanding of Atlantic Ocean circulation and how its ecosystems interconnect.
Maritime Ökosysteme hängen von den Bedingungen im Meer ab, welche hauptsächlich von Meeresströmungen beeinflusst werden. Diese Strömungen formen eine Umweltbewegung, welche Wärme im Meer verteilt und somit letztendlich das Klima kontrolliert. Sie zu erforschen hilft nicht nur, das wichtige Ökosystem Meer besser zu verstehen, sondern auch Klimaveränderungen vorherzusagen und uns besser darauf vorzubereiten.
This leads us to iAtlantic's second priority, the mapping of the ocean's myriad interconnecting ecosystems.
Om te kunnen begrijpen wat er in de Atlantische Oceaan leeft, hebben we nauwkeurige kaarten nodig op elke mogelijke schaal. Dit is van cruciaal belang en geeft ons de mogelijkheid om te kunnen begrijpen wat waar kan groeien. Net zoals op het land moeten we weten hoe de zeebodem eruit ziet om te kunnen beschermen wat erop leeft.
iAtlantic's third priority is to identify which ocean variables are driving the biggest changes in deep and open ocean ecosystems and their tipping points.
Usando bases de dados sobre as menores formas de vida do oceano, como as bactérias, até dados de alguns de seus maiores habitantes, como baleias, tubarões e atuns, estamos tentando entender como a vida no oceano está lidando com essas mudanças em seu ambiente, de forma a adaptar nossas práticas de manejo.
iAtlantic's fourth priority is the need to understand the impact of multiple stressors on the marine environment.
De oceaan wordt warmer, zuurder, zuurstofarmer, met verschuivingen in de beschikbaarheid van voedsel en de impact van diepzeemijnbouw. Dit alles zet marine ecosystemen onder druk. We beginnen nu pas te snappen hoe deze stressoren dit unieke systeem veranderen, van het functioneren van diepzeesedimenten, kwetsbare koudwaterkoralen, tot het leven in de open oceaan.
The fifth priority for iAtlantic is to develop plans for managing and protecting the ocean from human activity.
Os nossos planos de gestão e conservação partem do princípio de que as atividades humanas e os seus impactos não estão distribuídos uniformemente pelo oceano. Por exemplo, o melhor conhecimento da distribuição espacial da biodiversidade ajudou a identificar quais as áreas do Oceano Atlântico que requerem um nível de proteção especial e, portanto, devem ser designadas como áreas marinhas protegidas. Esta informação é vital para o desenvolvimento de medidas de gestão e conservação do património natural, garantindo, ao mesmo tempo, a utilização sustentável dos recursos marinhos, tal como estabelecido na Estratégia da Biodiversidade da União Europeia para 2030.
The final priority for iAtlantic is how to help people engage with and act on issues affecting the Atlantic Ocean.
Dar prioridade às capacidades técnicas e humanas, incluindo a partilha de tecnologia e conhecimento, é fundamental para garantir a saúde do Atlântico. É uma oportunidade para aprender e apoiar-nos uns aos outros, tornando o todo maior do que a soma das suas partes. Esta é a chave para melhor compreender e proteger o oceano de que todos dependemos.
The world is changing, faster than ever before. The Atlantic Ocean needs all its communities to work together to protect it today and for generations to come. Through collaboration, cooperation and groundbreaking research, iAtlantic has shown what's possible and what still needs to be done to protect this vital ocean upon which we all depend.